Hello and welcome to this guide on how to meditate. Meditation is a simple yet powerful tool for improving your mental and emotional well-being. It can help you reduce stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts while increasing your overall sense of calm and clarity. So, let's get started. Step 1. Find a comfortable and quiet space. The first step in meditation is finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit uninterrupted for a few minutes. It can be a corner in your home or a quiet spot in nature. Once you have found your space, sit in a comfortable position with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap. Step 2. Set a timer. It can be helpful to set a timer for your meditation session. Start with a short duration of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. This will help you stay focused and avoid the urge to constantly check the time. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Focus on your breath as you inhale and exhale. Pay attention to the sensations of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Step 4. Observe your thoughts. As you meditate, thoughts may arise in your mind. Rather than trying to push them away or suppress them, simply observe them without judgment. Acknowledge them and let them pass without getting attached to them. Return your focus to your breath. Step 5. Practice regularly. Meditation is a practice that requires consistency to see the benefits. Start with a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Make it a part of your daily routine to help you stay consistent. Step 6. Experiment with different techniques. There are many different techniques you can try in meditation, such as visualization or mantra repetition. Experiment with different techniques to find the one that works best for you. You can also try guided meditations or attend a meditation class to help you explore different techniques. Step 7. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Meditation is not always easy, especially when you are just starting out. Be patient and compassionate with yourself, and don't get discouraged if your mind wanders or you don't feel any immediate benefits. It takes time and practice to see the full benefits of meditation. Step 8. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. Meditation is just one aspect of mindfulness. Try to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life by paying attention to the present moment and being fully engaged in what you are doing. This can help you reduce stress and increase your overall sense of well-being. Relaxing music can be a great addition to your meditation practice. It can help you relax more deeply, reduce distractions, and create a calming atmosphere. Many people find that listening to soft, soothing music can enhance their focus and help them stay present during meditation. You can experiment with different types of music, such as classical, nature sounds, or ambient music, to find the one that works best for you. There are also many guided meditations available that incorporate music to help you relax and focus. So, if you find it difficult to meditate in silence, try adding some calming music to your practice and see how it works for you. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool that can help improve your mental and emotional well-being. It's a simple practice that requires consistency and patience to see the full benefits. Find a comfortable and quiet space, set a timer, focus on your breath, observe your thoughts, practice regularly, experiment with different techniques, be patient and compassionate with yourself, incorporate mindfulness into your daily life, and try listening to the relaxing music. Before you go, be sure to check out the links in the video description for our recommended meditation products that can enhance your practice and help you achieve deeper states of relaxation and mindfulness. Thank you for watching, and happy meditating.